Hey guys, welcome to K Creations. I'm Kaveri and today we're going to learn some basic macrame knots. So let's begin. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make lark's head, cow hitch, double half hitch, reef knot or a square knot. One of the methods to make your lark's head is to fold your yarn. I fold it into half. Put it on top of your rod or your branch or your rope. Put 2 fingers in the loop and pull this through. And here, that's our lark's head. If you do the same thing in reverse, that will be a cow hitch. So right now, we have this in front. Now we want to reverse it. So earlier we had kept it like this. So our loop was going at the back. Now we will get our loop from the back. Put it in and pull the strings from front. That's our cow hitch. It's the same knot, just a reverse image. This is a lark's head, this is a cow hitch. Let's see another method to make this. So you take a string, put it like this, the back string comes in front and wraps it like this. It goes at the back and we put it inside. And here we have our lark's head. Now let's see how to make a reef knot or a square knot. We take 2 pieces of cord and fold it into half or where we want the knot to be. Like this. Insert your one loop inside the other loop. Hold it together from one end. So this loop is in front and the cords are at the back. So we just hold it there and these cords we take out and we just get it together. So this is our reef knot or square knot. Now let's see how it looks when we see it in amazing macrame pieces. So we will be needing 4 strands for this. So we are going to hold the center 2 in place because those are base cords. We are not going to be using them. We are just going to be using our working knots, the side ones. So let's start. Take our right one, cross it over like this. Take the left one on top, inside and take it out. Let's do that again. First we started from our right cord going in the front. So now we'll start with the left cord going in front so that we get a nice flat look. So we put our left cord in front. The right one goes over this cord, behind and take it out. And pull it up. And that's our reef knot or square knot. Now let's see how to make a double half hitch. So again we have one base cord here and one working cord. So let's say our left cord is base cord and the right one we are taking as working cord. So we just put it over our base cord and pull it out from the cap. And we do that again. Take it over and pull it out from the cap. And that there is our double half hitch. So let's just see how this works when you're working on a bigger project with more strands. So we can either take an external cord as our base cord here, or I'm just going to be using the leftmost cord here as my base. So working one by one, this is my base. I'm not going to move this. I'm just going to work with my working cord. When we're doing this double half hitch, so make sure that your cord is coming out from these two. So then you know that you're doing it the right way. Now let's take the other one. So that here we have our double half hitches. So whenever you see something like this in a macrame project, you know what to do now. So guys, I hope you've been able to follow the video. There are n number of knots already existing and so many more yet to be explored. I will be sharing many more knotting technique tutorials in the future, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to K Creations if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post my next video. Stay safe, stay crafty.